What up everybody, welcome to the channel DankCool. Today I would like to show you an simple unboxing of a PC parts that I recently purchased. So this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Okay, please keep in mind that this build that I'm currently showing you guys is a previous PC build of mine, and I was unable to release this footage due to microphone issues since it does not sound quite as high quality as any studio mic out there. Essentially, the radio that I've used in this build is the Watercooling ASUS GT60 full copper 360mm, and such advantage of using this radio is the thickness of the radiator itself, increasing the cooling capacity for the PC in addition to the multi-ports included on the left hand side as well as one port on the right hand side, enabling the users to be able to include a variety of lip designs for the custom water-cooled PC. Another advantage of this radio choice of mine is the extra plate covering on top of the radiator fins, which aim to protect any bent fins, reducing the cooling capability of your system, which caused as you over tighten the screw or even use such invalid screw length on your radiator. As we are taking a closer look at the radiator, the current PC case that I'm using is Fractal Design S, and although this case is a metal and some users might find it difficult for them to be able to cram as much component in this case, I was fortunate enough to be able to include this 270 reservoir thanks to Fractal Design's spacious rim design. And don't forget that the ASUS PC reservoir combo has come pre-assembled, increasing any possibilities of leaks near the reservoir and the pump itself. And yes, the pump that is included in the combo is the quiet yet efficient D5 pump. Installation for this reservoir was quite easy and straightforward for the Fractal Design S, since it supports the tube reservoir mount on your PC, and don't forget to ensure that your desired reservoir has properly adjusted, as you are required to mount 4 screws from the back of your PC case. In order to get the pump going, you will be required to connect a Molex power connector from a power supply to your pump header. Also keep in mind that you can adjust the speed of your pump from turning the switch clockwise, located at the bottom of the reservoir itself. Well, the CPU water block that I went with, eventually with the EK water block MX, is not the best CPU water block that you can get out there. However, it comes to my budget, and I do believe that it can give me that exceptional performance out of my CPU. In this stage of my disassembling PC build, you might be wondering why the H8850i CPU mount coil is there without its tubing and radiator. Well, it's simple. I have disassembled it due to having the pump on the all-in-one water cooler died, and the reason why I went with this all-in-one water cooling is due to Tom's Hardware. Yes, you guys are recommending me this H8850i all-in-one cooler. In my case, it's not one of their best all-in-one water cooler out there that can overclock quite decently, and I do believe that there are a cooler out there that can outperform this H8850i all-in-one water cooler.
August 14th, a Soho bar, a speakeasy. It's you and me, and I'm feeling free. It's crazy how everyone lives
Okay, I really do hope that you guys enjoy that kind of content and the showcase video that I created for you guys, and from this I really hope that this kind of video will be useful for any of you guys that want to start to build your first custom water cooling PC. However, in that footage that I showed you guys, there were a couple of issues. One of them were the footage that I placed in was placed in a wrong time frame, because some of them were the updated version of the build, so it might be confusing for any of you guys that are watching, seeing such a difference in those footages. And I really would like to give a special thanks to Jay's 2 cents for not only making YouTube videos but to provide a very informative video on the custom water cooling systems and the parts that you really require in order to build one, and they were quite informative and straightforward for any of you guys that would like to start doing water cooling systems. And yes, the next person I really would like to thanks to is Kyle from Bitwit. I think he changed his name to Bitwit. His first leak video was very entertaining. How he turned on the computer and then every single one of the coolant comes out because he forgot to plug his stopping plugs, and yeah, the coolant was all over his PC, and that was quite funny and entertaining for me to watch. Okay, in the next video that I'm gonna show you guys, it's going to be the updated version of the PC build, but I'm not sure when because I really have to work on the GTA 5 video as well. And I really hope you guys enjoy this kind of content. If you do, click the like button down below and don't forget to subscribe for more content. I will see you in the next DankCool video. Peace. I really hope that no, I really hope. I'd rather see the whole